Hello viewers, welcome to this video tutorial series on Python programming. In this video lesson, we are going to learn about sets in Python. We will start with defining a set, then we'll see how to modify sets. We'll look at some Python built-in functions for sets, and at the end, we will see various set operations. Let us now define sets. Sets store a sequence of mixed data. One special feature of set is that it does not allow duplicates, but it stores the elements in random order, unlike lists or tuples. The elements in sets are separated by commas and they're enclosed in a pair of curly brackets. Sets are mutable, which means you can add elements to a set, you can remove elements, you can modify the elements, but sets can store only those elements which are of immutable type, like strings, numbers, tuples. Let us now create a set. Here we have few elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 20 is repeated over here. So once we try to print the set, you can see that only 5 elements are stored in the set. 20 being duplicate is not stored in our set. The elements are enclosed in curly brackets. Now here, one small care you have to take: whenever you are defining an empty set, it should always be with the set function. Let us try to add some elements to our set. So set a.add method helps us to add the elements to the set. So 5 has got added. Now it is not compulsory that what will be the position of 5 when you are inserting it into a set. It can be anywhere at the end or beginning depending on the algorithm implemented by set. If you have a iterable object, a sequence, we can pass the sequence to the update method, and each element from the sequence will be checked whether it is present in our original set or not. If it is not present, it will get added. Here only 7 was not present, 30 and 5 were already present in our set, so only 7 has got added to our set A. Let us try to remove the element. So pop method removes an element from a set randomly. There is no specific order in which it will remove the element. And remove method is used to remove a particular object from the set. So here we are trying to remove object 50. We will now look at Python functions on sets. Since sets are sequences or iterable objects, we can perform certain functionalities on sets, like finding the number of elements using the length method. Length function, length is a function. So in our set A, there are total 5 elements. Max function gives the largest element. Min function gives the smallest element. Sum function returns the sum of all the numeric elements from the set. And sorted is a function which takes any sequence and returns the elements of that sequence in sorted order in the form of a list. So here again, set elements are being taken by the sorted function as an argument. It will sort the set and return a list. It will not return a set, it will return a list, because sets never store the element in a particular order. It is going to return you a list. There are two main benefits of using sets. One of them we have already seen. It removes duplicates. So if you are handling certain data where you don't want to have your duplicate elements, or you want to eliminate the duplicate elements from your set, you can use from a particular data, you can use sets. You can convert the data into a set and you can remove the duplicates. Another interesting fact about set is that we can perform different set operations like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, etc. So here we have two sets, S1 and S2, with some elements, and let us try to perform different set operations. Union means combining both the sets together, so it can be done using the pipe operator. Then intersection gives you only the common elements. Symmetric difference, which means that union of all the uncommon elements. And set difference, that is, in this case we are trying to subtract or remove the common elements from set 1. In the next example, we are trying to remove the common elements from S2. So here we are getting only S1 and only S2 in the second example. Let us solve one example on sets. This is a very interesting example. The problem definition says that take a word as an input from user, or here the word is already given as aeroplane. We'll save this word in a variable word. And now what we need to do is we need to find out all the vowels. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. We will create a set of all the vowels. So we will write here vowels is equal to set, and we have a string of vowels A, E, I, O, U. So the set function converts a sequence into a set. So here we have a set of all the vowels, and we will convert this word also into a set. So set underscore word is a variable we are going to create here and convert our word into a set. So now we have two sets, one of the unique elements from the word and vowels. A simple operation which we can do here is intersection of the set word and vowels. So we can write here word, ampersand is our intersection operator, and vowels. And here we get all the unique vowels from our word. Let us have a quick revision on what we learned in this video. We started with defining a set. Sets are an unordered sequence of mixed data. They store elements in random order and they do not allow duplicates. Set elements are separated by commas enclosed in the pair of curly brackets. Sets are mutable, but the elements in the sets should be of immutable type. We saw how to modify sets. We saw how to add an object using add function. Then we saw update. We saw pop, remove to remove the elements from the set. We also saw some built-in functions like length, min, max, sorted. And at the end, we saw some set operations like union, intersection, set difference, and symmetric difference. If you are interested in solving more examples on sets, or you wish to refer the PDF version of the examples discussed in this video, you can drop me an email or a message. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Till then, happy coding.